right, who's next?
Emily Clark.
Emily Clark. Yeah. Emily. Thank you, Emily.
Yeah, I feel it's on.
Is that
This is good.
good?
Okay. So, I'm going to talk about how I learned that I knew my parents knew what the internet was. So, when I was 16 years old, I had this idea that, like, the internet was an Emily thing. It was, like, not a thing for the rest of the world. It was, like, me and AIM and MySpace. Like, that's all me. Like, my parents don't know what's going on, my grandparents, no one else in the world knows it but me. And I was just rocking the internet, you know, like you do when you're 16 years old. You're, like, taking selfies like this. Because this is definitely the best angle to take a selfie. Because if you stand like this and you, like, cock your hick out. And then I was, like, typing on AIM, and I would do, like, POS, parent over shoulder. And I was like, no one knows this. I am so cool. Like, I am the coolest. But that was a lie. And my mom is a software developer. So, and my dad emails about 5,000 times a day. So you think 16-year-old Emily would be like, hey, look at them on the computer. What are they doing? But I was like, no, they're not on the internet. They're just typing on a Word document for 8 hours a day. Yeah, that's what they're doing. So I went to boarding school, which is like a really great way to get a great education or learn how to hook up with boys in closets, whatever you want to learn in a boarding school. So I went to boarding school, so I used to come home to my family on weekends. And I was like, you guys don't know what the internet is, so once again, I'm just rocking it. I'm taking lots of selfies, posting questionable things, but I was like, no one knows but me and my friends. It's good. And my parents had this way of parenting that's like subtle or passive-aggressive. I'm not sure which way you want to phrase it, but I think it's more passive-aggressive. And so I was sitting home at home, and my brother's at the kitchen table, and I'm at the kitchen table, and it's breakfast. And my mom's on the computer, and I'm like, she's just typing on a Word document. She's just rocking that. And my dad goes, oh, so Sam, what do you think about girls? And Sam's 14. Sam, like, has not figured out anything besides FIFA and, like, Madden at this point. Sam's like, I don't know, girls. He just, like, looks at him with this blank expression on his face. And my mom's typing away, and, like, what you don't know about boarding schools, there's photographers everywhere. It's like they're the paparazzi, because, you know, they want the parents to know that their kids are still alive, so they have to keep posting photos on the internet to be like, look at your kid, it's smiling. It's okay. Like, keep paying the tuition. So my mom's typing away, and my dad's like, so Sam, girls, and Sam doesn't know what to do. And he's like, what do you think about dancing with girls? And Sam's like, I don't know what to do. And I'm just sitting there, I'm looking at my Cheerios. I'm like, this is a weird conversation to be having. Like, why would they be having this conversation? But I don't think anything of it, because my mom's just typing on a Word document. I'm like, why would she be part of this plan? And my dad goes, okay, so Sam, poor Sam, he just got the brunt of everything. He was like, Sam, what do you think about, you know, dancing with girls to, like, rap music or kind of scandalous music? And poor Sam, literally has no idea what to say to any of these questions. And I'm listening. And Sam's like, I don't know. And I'm like, I don't know how to dance to rap music. I went to boarding school. Like, I'm just thinking that I'm awesome still. This was the fallacy. I was not awesome. But yeah, I thought I was awesome. And my dad's like, so if you were dancing with a girl, where would you put your hands? This is the moment where I know I'm fucked, right? Because you know that mixer that I went to 2 weeks ago? There was that boarding school photographer. Yeah, he was there, and boarding school did its thing. And I was getting it down, and I was like, oh no. And just as my mom is turning around the computer, she knew how to use the internet. She did. And she has this photo of me just getting it down, and my dad goes, Sam, you will not touch girls' genitals! Yeah, so that's how I learned my parents knew how to use the internet.
I don't think you quite understand 14-year-old boys. He probably knows how to use the internet as well.